Hello, today I'm here to teach you about power and energy. Power is the rate at which energy is used by a component and is measured in watts or joules per second. This means that energy is equal to power times time. This gives us the formula, power is equal to energy over time. So since voltage is energy per coulomb, we can substitute in that energy is equal to volts times coulombs. This gives us the formula that volts times coulombs over time. Since coulombs over time is equal to the current flow in a circuit, we can replace it with the letter I. This gives us power is equal to volts times current. So since we want to use this in circuits that contain resistors, we can use Ohm's law, V equals IR, to rearrange power equals volts times current in order to find the energy dissipated by a resistor. So subbing in for I is equal to V on R, we get that power is equal to the voltage squared divided by the resistance R. Or subbing that V equals IR, we get that the power is equal to the current squared times the resistance. So time for some examples. So example 1. If a 200 ohm resistor has 8 volts of potential energy, how much power has it dissipated? We're going to use the formula P is equal to V squared on R. So that means now we can sub in, so therefore it is equal to 8 squared on 200, which is equal to 64 on 200, which is equal to 0.32 watts of power. So now example 2 states how much energy does a 20 kilowatt per hour oven use in 15 minutes. So we're going to use the formula W equal to PT. So now subbing in, because we got kilowatts, it's going to be 20,000 watts multiplied by, so we have a time here in hours and we've been giving minutes. So that means we're going to divide our minutes by 60 in order to get it in terms of hours. That's going to be 15 on 60. So therefore it's going to be equal to 5,000 watts of energy used.